Welcome to Explain the Charts, your go-to source for in-depth market analysis. Today, January 22nd, 2025, we are focusing on Google stock, and we'll be providing a comprehensive analysis that includes both current events and chart data. Recent headlines suggest a mixed sentiment surrounding Google. Positive news includes Google's soaring stock reaching all-time highs due to robust growth and President Trump's easing of artificial intelligence regulations. However, some analysts have expressed concern that the current price may be a bad entry point. Let's turn our attention to the daily chart for Google. The overall trend appears to be slightly bullish, with several significant uptrends punctuated by periods of consolidation and correction. We can clearly identify a prominent uptrend from the beginning of September 2023, with notable peaks and valleys that form distinct price patterns. The uptrend seems to be supported by increased investor confidence in Google's robust business growth. Notice the significant price spike around October 25, 2024, corresponding to a significant piece of negative news. Here we see the impact of negative sentiment on the price of Google. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to gain a finer-grained perspective on the recent price action. The 1-hour chart allows us to analyze shorter-term trends and identify potential entry and exit points for short-term trading strategies. We'll look for patterns such as head and shoulders, flags, and pennants to anticipate short-term price fluctuations. Comparing the 1-hour chart with the daily chart reveals a crucial detail: short-term volatility exists within the long-term uptrend. While the overall outlook remains positive, short-term traders should carefully manage their risk by identifying key support and resistance levels on the 1-hour timeframe. For even more granular insight, we will now observe the 15-minute chart to identify extremely short-term price movements and pinpoint specific trading opportunities. We'll look for candlestick patterns such as dojis and engulfing patterns to identify potential reversals in the very short term. The 15-minute chart's high frequency of data provides even more opportunities for both long and short trades. However, this time frame is much more risky and should only be traded with extreme caution. The short time frame requires a high degree of vigilance and quick responses to any price fluctuations. In summary, the long-term trend for Google looks bullish, supported by recent positive news. Key price levels to watch are the recent highs around 197 and 201 and the significant support levels from October 2024. If the price can successfully break through resistance levels and maintain upward momentum, it is likely the recent highs could be surpassed in the medium term. However, short-term price corrections are expected. Keeping an eye on the short-term indicators and news events will help in determining optimal entry and exit points. Remember to always manage risk and consider using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses.